following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio Emergency Management Agency, Columbus, Ohio. We have just received this important announcement regarding an abducted child from Warren, Ohio, which is in Trumbull County. The Warren Police Department and the Ohio State Highway Patrol are looking for Jasper Stennett, a 2-month-old white female, 1 foot 8 inches tall, 11 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Jasper was last seen wearing a yellow shirt and blue/yellow pants. The child was last seen at 1999 Hazelwood Avenue in Warren, Ohio, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspect is believed to be James Stennett, a 20-year-old white male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 142 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. They may be traveling in a gold 2005 Buick Rendezvous with Ohio license plate HQN8371. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Jasper Stennett, please call the Warren Police Department at 330-841-2512. You may also call 1-877-262-3764 or dial 911 immediately.